In this section, we will look at reading comprehension. Why reading comprehension? A bank officer must do the following things: read reports, understand circulars, and study legal documents. All bank exams have reading comprehension sections. The structure of the question would be one passage followed by multiple choice question based on the passage. Question can be based on the theme of the passage or vocabulary questions based on words in the passage. There are different approaches to solving reading comprehension questions. You could read the entire passage and then the questions, or you could read all the questions and then the passage, or you could skim to the passage and then the questions, skim back to the passage and questions again. Or you could skim quickly through the questions and then read the entire passage and then go back to the question for a better understanding. Try various methods until you find something that you are comfortable with. Let us now look at some tips and shortcuts. Don't read the entire passage first. The passage is likely to have vocabulary questions on synonyms or antonyms which can be answered quickly. Attempt them first without reading the passage. Read the first question. First questions generally are about the gist or the summary of the passage. Get an idea of what gist to look for out of the 5 options that are given. Don't read the passage fully, skim through the passage quickly to figure out the gist. Every passage has a conclusion. Look for the conclusion of every passage. Figure out how does the author support the conclusion. You don't need to understand the passage. Don't worry if you do not understand the words. If you get a gist of the general topic in the passage, it is enough. Manage your time. If you're getting stuck with a particular question, leave the passage and move on. Don't waste time in the exam. Forget what you know. Stick to the passage. Even if you know the topic, which will mostly be a financial article, don't go by outside facts. Don't reread the passage. It is not necessary to go back to the passage and read the entire passage to answer a question. If a question asks about a particular line, don't go back into the passage and read just that line. Read only 2 sentences before and 2 sentences after the line to understand the context in which the question is asked. Avoid extreme answers. If an answer sounds too rude or harsh or extreme, it may not be the right answer. Be wary of strong statements. Don't panic. In case you are doubtful of an answer or you do not know how to solve the question, keep calm, take a deep breath, and solve other questions first. You can come back to the question at the end of the exam.